Welcome back to Module 1.2, Objective C, Calculating Perimeter of Geometric Figures. I'm going to go ahead and introduce this word called a polygon. A polygon is a geometric figure with three or more sides. That's what a polygon stands for. So the very first shape is a triangle. So to find the perimeter of a triangle, we normally add up all four sides, label them A, B, and C. And to find the area of a triangle is normally half times base times the height. So for a triangle, we normally have a base and the height. And the height and the base is always going to be perpendicular. So half times base times height will give me my area. For a square, as you can recall, for a square, all four sides are the same. We label them as S and S. So to find the perimeter, we will say S plus S plus S plus S, which is 4S. And to find the area, we normally just take how long each side, how long the side is times each other. Okay. So when we normally find areas, the basic idea is to take how long it is times how tall it is. Okay. So for a specific shape like a square, we just call them how long the base is, we call them side, and how tall it is, we call them that another side. Because for perimeters, how long the bottom is, we call them length, and how tall the other side is, we call them width. Call them different names to distinguish different shapes. So if I want to find perimeters, we just take L plus W plus L plus W, which will equal to 2L plus 2W, or you can just simply add up all four sides. All right, to find the area, we just take how long the bottom is times how tall it is. Okay, so very similar characteristic between square and rectangles. All the opposite sides are congruent and parallel, which we'll talk more about that in a different module. For square, all four sides are congruent, and all the opposite sides are parallel. So here, for example, if I have a square, find the perimeter of this square, I can just simply say perimeter is 4 times the side, which is 4 times 3. Or I can say 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Either way, my answer will still be 12. Okay. For perimeters, my units is linear, so that would just be millimeter. All right, this is a very interesting problem. An isosceles triangle where the two sides are equal is placed on top of a square down here, okay? If the two equal sides of the triangle is 16, so this left side and the right side are 16, and the square is 27 meters on each side, what is the perimeter of the figure? So be careful now. This is looking for perimeter. So if I will start right here, perimeter traveling on the outside, that's 27. This is 27, and that's another 27. So that means I got to add 27 3 times, or you can say 27 times 3, plus I got to travel the 16 and another 16. Okay, in order to find the perimeter on the outside of this picture, which if you actually add them up, is going to be 113 meters. All right, be careful. A lot of students, what they did was they're trying to add up all four sides for the square. You cannot do that because this side right here is actually not on the outside, it's in the inside. So To find the perimeter of the entire figure, we just travel the distance on the outside. All right, so a quick refresh on some of these triangle, square, and rectangle formulas and how to find its perimeters. That will conclude this video. Thank you for watching.